balls A and B, they are projected at an angle of 45 degree and 60 degree. Means angle of projection for ball A is 45 degree and angle of projection for ball B, it is equal to 60 degree respectively. So that the maximum height reached are same for both. Maximum height reached by ball A is same as that of maximum height reached by ball B. Then the ratio of velocity of projection of ball A to that of ball B is, if UA is velocity of projection of ball A, UB is the velocity of projection of ball B, then UA upon UB equal to question mark. UA upon UB equal to question mark. Now we know what is the formula for maximum height. Maximum height H is equal to, what is that formula? Maximum height H is equal to U square sin square theta, U square sin square theta divided by 2g. Maximum height reached by a projectile during its journey, here projectile maximum height means this distance. So maximum height reached by a projectile during its journey, it is given by U square sin square theta divided by 2g. And in the present problem it was given maximum height reached by ball A is same as that of maximum height reached by ball B. So let us put the value of HA. For HA, maximum height of ball A, what will be the formula? UA square, that is velocity of projection of ball A, into sin square angle of projection of ball A is theta A. So UA square into sin square theta A divided by 2g, and that is equal to maximum height of ball B. So it is the UB square, that is velocity of projection of ball B, into sin square theta B, that is angle of projection of ball B, divided by 2g. This 2g on both sides get cancelled and we have UA square upon UB square. UA square upon UB square is equal to sin square theta B upon sin square theta A, sin square theta B upon sin square theta A, that is equal to sin square of theta B is 60 upon sin square theta A, means it is sin square 45. But we know sin 60 is root 3 by 2. So sin square theta, sin square 60 means root 3 by 2 whole square into 1 upon sin 45. Sin 45 is 1 by root 2. So sin square 45 is 1 by root 2 square. So that is equal to UA square upon UB square is equal to, here square of root 3 by 2 means it is 3 by 4 into 1 upon root 2 whole square means 1 by 2. So it becomes 2 by 1. So 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, that is 3 by 2. So UA square upon UB square is 3 by 2, taking square root on both sides. So we get UA upon UB is equal to under root of 3 divided by 2. UA upon UB is equal to under root of 3 divided by 2. So that is equal to root 3 as to root 2. So out of 4 options, which option is correct? Option B, root 3 as to root 2. It is the ratio of velocity of projection of ball A to that of ball B. So the correct option is option B.